Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie, and it is midweek before Easter, and I had a problem. When I did my meal plan, which is Monday through Sunday, I completely forgot Easter was this upcoming weekend. It seems impossible, but to top it off, I host Easter every year, which means I can't skip on the groceries. So let's get into Aldi and Meijer after this to see what I get for Easter. I'm gonna share with you what I'm making as the host, and any recipe I use will be linked below. So let's get into Aldi and see the goods. We are having pulled chicken sandwiches, and I like to have these as options for little sliders, so $2.75. And for the most basic of sandwiches, just the hamburger buns, $1.29. I'm getting a dozen eggs at $2.22 to color them. I tried talking my kids out of doing this because I forgot how expensive eggs are, but Cal, did you want to still color eggs? Yeah. Okay, for drinks, we're gonna get pink lemonade and a regular. Okay, this has nothing to do with Easter, but I really want cottage cheese, so $2.49. I need sour cream, but they're out of the Aldi, so I'm gonna get the Daisy sour cream for my cheesy hash brown potatoes. I want to make jalapeno poppers, $1.49 for cream cheese. Okay, and when hungry kids come with you, they always want something, so I'm getting Cal a coconut yogurt, 62 cents. Okay, I'm gonna get a bag of jalapenos. Actually, I'll probably get 2 bags at 69 cents a piece to make the jalapeno poppers. I love Aldi jalapenos, they're very spicy. Okay, I need pickle slices for the chicken sandwiches, $2.19. And then also barbecue sauce. I'm going to get hickory and brown sugar, $1.45. Okay, it was seeing these cookies last week that reminded me it was Easter because I thought, oh, I'll have to grab these for Easter. So I'm getting them, $4.79. Okay, again, not for Easter, but I saw they have a lot of my waters. I'm gonna get, I see 5 of them, but you guys, they're 89 cents now. They used to be 55, then 79, now they're 89. I'm still getting 5. Gouda and Havarti are my favorite for sandwiches, so I'm getting one of each at $1.89. Great on chicken sandwiches. Well, it feels like I hit the jackpot because I found a 2-pound bag of cheddar, $5.79. I need this for the hash browns, the cheesy potatoes. Okay, I'm making a double thing of cheesy potatoes using these hash browns, $3.29 a bag. Okay, I'm also gonna get a pack of bacon for the chicken sandwiches. I really like this when I bought it a couple weeks ago, so I think it'd be much easier to just heat this up, $3.25. Also, I thought these looked really cute. I'll set them out with the carrot cookies. I'll give those a try, $2.99. Okay, I'm also gonna get these for the party, a 24 pack of LaCroix. 3 different flavors, hibiscus, watermelon, and limoncello. Yum, love that flavor. Someone begged. Who begged?
Me.
Yeah, so we're getting those. Not for Easter, just for the family. $2.59. Really, I think a good. You're gonna have one for snack tonight? Pretty good value, 12 of them for $2.59. I am very tempted to buy these everything brioche rolls for the sandwiches. They're $4.39, but I already bought different buns at Meijer right before this, so I'm gonna pass on these, but they do look good. Okay, so here's everything I got. It cost me $68.94. I used a $10 gift card, so $58.94. Okay, are we going home? You ready for an ice cream sandwich? $68.94. Okay, so for our sandwiches, I really like to get these onion and poppy seed buns. They're on sale for $3.29, and then I also got the sesame seed ones, so altogether we'll have a couple choices. I am getting a can of pineapple. I want to find it in, oh, there we go, in the juice. Someone sent me a recipe for a dessert that sounded good for Easter, so I'm going to make it. This is $1.29. One thing I can never get from Aldi, cream of onion soup. I use this instead of cream of mushroom, and or cream of chicken. So I don't like mushrooms, my daughter doesn't eat chicken, so cream of onion wins. And I'm using this for my hash browns, $1.79. I'm getting 2 cans. Okay, and I'm getting 3 pounds of coleslaw. I love this on chicken sandwiches, and I just like it on the side. I'm the only one in my family that likes it, so it's a good thing to get for holidays. $6.99. So here is the chicken I bought at Meijer. I went separately to get this chicken. $9.59 and $9.13, $1.99 a pound. So I'm gonna have it obviously for the Easter, but then also I'm going to prep it for my freezer. I like to buy chicken and prep it in bulk. Okay, so our hosting over here, we're having shredded chicken sandwiches. I'm having so many different toppings. You guys saw me buy a lot of them. I also have things like crispy fried onion pieces here and lettuce, pretty much sliced onions. I'm gonna pickle red onions that I have. Lots of different toppings. And the good thing is we have 3 vegetarians that'll be here, and vegetarians can easily make a sandwich without the chicken. So it's an easy, vegetarian-friendly, build it how you like it meal. I'm making cheesy potatoes. I do make those vegetarian. So the recipe I'm linking below is substituting cream of onion for cream of chicken to make it vegetarian. I'm also just putting the cookies out. Last year I made homemade carrot cookies, but this year those Aldi ones looked like winners. I'm gonna put the biscuit ones that have the chocolate and sprinkles on it. Very simple. Jalapeno poppers, these are baked and I've been craving them lately, so they sounded good. And then finally, I'm making this pineapple bake that a subscriber sent me the recipe for. She said it's really good with ham and it's like an Easter norm that they have. However, we're not having ham, but I'm still making this, and I'm looking forward to it, so I'll type that out below. But this is our Easter meal plan. My mom, my grandparents, my husband's parents, siblings are coming, and they're all bringing food. So this is just what we're contributing. Of course, we also have the sparkling water and the lemonades, but we're gonna have a big old giant feast, and on top of celebrating Easter, we're gonna eat a lot. So this is our meal plan, and I finally feel prepared since I have all the groceries. If you want to see what a normal weekly grocery haul looks like, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.